Hey everyone. With the release of ML.NET version 1, they also released a command line interface to use the AutoML engine. And so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it and some of the options that you can use with it. So to be able to install it, you'll need to use the .NET CLI, and with the tool install commands, -G for global, and just do mlnet. Now if you don't have the .NET CLI itself, you'll need to download the .NET Core SDK. You'll do that, and I already have the tool installed. And real quick, we'll look at the data I already have in this directory here. And it's the same housing data that we looked at in the previous AutoML videos. But if you haven't seen those, we'll take a quick look at it. And it is the California housing dataset, and just some attributes on the houses there: latitude, longitude, the median age of the house, total rooms, total bedrooms, the population of the area, the median income of the area, and what we're going to be predicting here is this median house. And to use the ML.NET CLI that we just installed, we can do mlnet, and say auto train, and since we're going to predict a continuous value here of the median house value, we'll give it a task to use of regression, and then we'll give it the data set that we have in this directory, housing.csv. And we need to also give it the column name that has our label. So we label column name option, and it's going to be that median house value. So let this run for a bit. It's going to take a while, so I will, with the magic of video recording, time travel back to when this gets completed. Alright, so now that got done, you can see here this took 30 minutes to run, and that is the default amount of exploration time. And let's look at our results here. You see it says a total number of models explored 957. That's quite a bit of models. And here it gives us our top 5 models here. And the main algorithm is the light GBM regression, and it gives us an R-squared of about 86%. And you see down here it generates the model.zip file that we can use to make predictions on the model, and it also generates the console apps for us that we can use to do some retraining on it. And in fact, if we look at our current directory, we can see that it added that folder here that contains those things. Alright, so that's kind of the default things that you get with the CLI. So a couple of things that you can add to it that you can give is you can specify the max exploration time, and I'll give it 15 here. And as you'll see here, that it's giving us the current best algorithm and its current R-squared. There we go. That ran for 15 seconds, and you can see our R-squared is actually not too much different from the 30-minute run. It's 86% instead of 88 or 89 that it was before. Now something else you can add here is you can tell it to ignore certain columns. And you can add the ignore columns option here, and I'm going to ignore the longitude and latitude columns. There we go, and we can see just by ignoring those two columns, our R-squared went down a decent bit here to 76% instead of the 85, 86 that it was before. So that was kind of just a quick tour of the ML.NET CLI, and as you can see, it's probably not going to be used most for production workflows and deployments of models. But as you can see, it's going to be a good way to get started with getting a model going. And I think the best thing that it's going to be used for is to do exploration, especially for the feature engineering that we just saw. We can ignore or select certain columns and we see how well each of the models perform. All right, so until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.